Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data in Power BI. First, understanding how to import your data effectively is crucial for building robust reports. You can connect to a wide array of sources, from simple Excel files to complex SQL databases, bringing all your information together. Beginning with clean, well-structured data saves significant effort later, setting a strong foundation for your analysis. Once your data is imported, the Power Query editor becomes your best friend. Here, you can transform and clean your datasets by removing duplicates, changing data types, or splitting columns, ensuring consistency across all fields. Imagine correcting 25,000 rows of inconsistent entries with just a few clicks. This vital step ensures your data is meticulously prepared for precise analysis and compelling visualization. Connecting your tables through relationships is fundamental for comprehensive insights. This process involves linking two tables using a common column, such as a product ID or a customer number. Properly defining these connections, often as a one-to-many structure, allows Power BI to aggregate and filter data across your entire model. It is like building a map between all your different information sources. The final and most impactful step is visualizing your transformed and related data. Power BI offers a rich gallery of charts, graphs, and maps, helping you tell compelling data stories. Simply drag and drop your fields onto the canvas to create dynamic visuals. A well-designed dashboard allows users to filter and interact with the data, unlocking actionable insights and driving informed decisions for your organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.